Have you ever been hurt by someone? Not once, but again and again. A friend, a family member, someone you trusted. At some point we ask, how many times am I supposed to forgive them? One day, Peter asked Jesus the same question. Lord, how many times should I forgive my brother when he sins against me? Up to 7 times? To Peter, 7 was generous. 7 meant I'm already trying to be kind. But Jesus answered, not 7 times, but 70 times 7. That's 490 times. Now, Jesus wasn't giving a number to count. He wasn't saying, forgive until 490 and then stop. Number. He was teaching something radical. Forgiveness should have no limit, because love has no limit. Jesus then told a story. A servant owed his king an impossible amount, more than he could repay in 100 lifetimes. The king forgave it all. But that same servant refused to forgive someone who owed him only a small debt. When the king heard this, he said, you should have shown mercy, just as I showed you mercy. The message is clear. We forgive because we have been forgiven. God has forgiven us more than we could ever repay. So why 70 times 7? Because forgiveness is not about keeping score. It's about keeping love alive. Forgiveness does not say, what you did is okay. It says, I will not let this pain control my heart. We don't forgive because they deserve it. We forgive because God forgave us first. If someone has hurt you and you're struggling to forgive, you don't have to do it alone. Ask God for strength. He is close to the brokenhearted. If you choose to forgive today, even if it's hard, type in the comments, I choose forgiveness, and I'll pray for you.